Welcome back to Danny's Maths Hub. Now I do hope you enjoyed that investigation, and if you haven't completed the investigation yet, I've linked it below so you can go back, do the investigation, then come back and see the answer video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying these investigations or if you're enjoying any of the videos I'm putting out. It really helps me know that who's enjoying it and who's not. So let's look at the answer then. So the first thing you should have done is complete the table. And we've worked out in the last video that if there's only me in the meeting, there'll be 0 handshakes. If there's me and one other person, there'd be 1 handshake. Me and 2 other people, I would have shook both their hands, so there's 2 handshakes, and then those 2 would also have shook hands, so there's 3 handshakes. Then if we move on to 4 people in the room, well then that's me shaking hands with 3 others, them shaking hands with each other, and actually it added up to 6 handshakes altogether, so we've had quite a big jump. Now if we actually look at the pattern of how many we're adding on each time, we have seen this pattern before in other investigations. The pattern is that we're adding an extra 1 on each time. So to get from 0 to 1 we added 1, to get from 1 to 3 we added 2, to get from 3 to 6 we add 3, and if you'd have carried on this pattern you saw we'd have added 4, then we'd have added 5, and again we are given our triangular numbers. Now you can find these triangular numbers looking at the patterns in the row and the fact actually that I'm always going to be shaking hands with 1 less person in the room because I won't be shaking hands with myself. So there's many ways you can come up with this formula. Now you can represent triangular numbers by using the following formula. The number of people in the room, or the triangular number you're looking for, multiplied by 1 less. Then when we multiply these together, we half it and that gives us our outcome. Now you may be thinking, hang on, last time I saw this formula we added. And you're quite right, we can do that as well. But because we're starting from 0 here, and with the baked bean investigation, which you may have already seen, we were actually starting with 1. So we started from different points in our triangular numbers. Instead we started with 0 and last time we started with 1. So either formula does work, but it depends where you're starting from. Now I do hope you got the answer correct to this. If you did, fantastic. Hopefully you recognise the pattern, and if you manage to recognise the pattern and change the formula to match that pattern, that's very, very good indeed. That shows really strong algebraic understanding. If you didn't, don't panic. We've still got plenty more investigations for you to look at and hopefully perfect your technique. That's all from me now. Do stay safe, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.